My Hero Academia cliffhanger stuns with a major hero's return, guys. Warning, massive spoilers for the My Hero Academia chapter 292 in this video. So if you haven't read the chapter yet, then you should skip the video right now. My Hero Academia's newest cliffhanger has stunned with a major hero's return to the series, as the war between the heroes and the villains continued with the newest chapter of the series. Izuku Midoriya and other heroes are at their wits' end as the villains have gotten a major advantage as the war reaches a new level. But the previous cliffhanger in the series teased that the rhyme of the fight would be swinging back in the heroes' direction with a major last-minute save. As the newest chapter revealed, however, the hero we saw in the previous cliffhanger was not exactly the only heroic save we would be getting as the war came to an end, because chapter 292 of the series ended with an even big cliffhanger than the last chapter with an even bigger save than expected. Chapter 292 of the series picks up right where the last one left off as Beast Genist arrives just in time to save others from Dabi with his fiber quirk. He manages to keep a hold of both Dabi and Gigantomachia, but soon Dabi is able to burn through his fibers. Genis manages to hold down Gigantomachia, but soon he comes into trouble as a group of high-end Nomu comes to attack him. As Izuku watches from the sideline, he is worried that if Nomu attacks Genis, he will lose his concentration and Gigantomachia will let loose. He wants to help Genis, but he can't seem to move due to all the accumulative damage of One for All and the battle against Shigaraki has done to his body. But thankfully, another major hero shows up in time. With the chapter coming to end, suddenly Mirio Togaka appears from under the ground and attacks Nomu. That's right, Mirio has fully recovered his quirk and is once again in action as the hero Lemillion. After seeming like he permanently lost his quirk following the fight against Overhaul, the cliffhanger is surprising in more ways than one, as the series now needs to explain how he got his quirk back. What do you think of Mirio's surprising return to the series? Are you excited to see him in heroic action once more? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations and all sort of anime content on daily basis. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.